Starting an online business can be an exciting feeling, especially knowing that you hear all these success stories of people quitting their job and making a full-time income online and having the freedom to do what they want thanks to an online business. But at the same time, it can be very overwhelming and daunting, especially if you don't know what tools and resources to use and what systems and processes and plans to go and follow. So in this video, I just want to share with you 3 simple ways in which you can start an online business. But before we continue, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and hit that bell notification icon so then you'll be alerted of any new training videos I put out on this channel. So the first side hustle idea I'd like to share with you is doing product reviews. And in other words, this is sort of integrating affiliate marketing together by doing your own review of that specific product that you are promoting. An approach to this is to make sure you be one of the first to promote the product, so then you'll be one of the early birds to pick out and get those commissions. 2 sites that I can name specifically are muncheye.com and also jvnotifypro.com. If you go to those, you'll find some products that are being launched by online marketers, and usually they have a cash prize or a top 10 prize. So if you're one of the 10, then the added bonus is you get that cash prize. But that's not part of the whole side hustle idea. The whole idea is to be able to review the product, get your hands on the review copy if possible by approaching the vendor or seller, and what you want to do is create an honest review of the product, how it works, the features, the benefits, and how someone or the user can utilize this product. You do this in a form of either a blog article or a YouTube video, which is highly effective. The reason why is because if you create a review of a product of, let's say, XYZ widget, then you're going to put your video out there about XYZ widget review. These keywords, and especially the product that you are going to promote, is brand new to the market. So the keywords haven't been out there online unless there's another product, of course, that has the same name. But in most cases, the keywords that you're targeting are either non-existent or there's very low competition. So by you creating this YouTube video of simply showing how the software, tool, or course works, then all you're doing is sharing your honest opinion about it and then posting it on YouTube, making sure it gets indexed, and being sure also to put in under the description of your YouTube channel your affiliate link, and of course extra details about the product and a description, and again, a call to action for them to purchase through your link. If you want to take it a step further, what you can do is create a massive or crazy bonus package, so then it'll be an irresistible offer when people purchase through your link. You just need to make sure that the bonuses that you're producing and packaging together are related, and highly related actually, to the product that you're promoting. So again, head to JV Notify Pro and also muncheye.com, so then you'll be the first to know of any new product releases by internet marketers and online business owners. You can easily do a screen recording using Screencast-O-Matic, which is free for the first 15 minutes of recording. Otherwise, you can use other paid tools such as ScreenFlow, which is what I personally use on the Mac, or Camtasia for those who are on Windows, and also it's compatible with the Mac. The great thing about this method is you don't need any experience yourself. All you're doing is just giving a review from your point. So it really is about giving the review based on how you would use it as a consumer. Now, the second side hustle idea is none other than freelancing. Now, you might say, oh, I already knew that, or I've tried that, but this is one of the ways I approached online business and was able to make money online while I was, still at my job, trying to quit the job and trying to make a full-time income online and figure this whole internet business thing that was so complicated. And so what I did was I started designing sales pages and web pages and landing pages for online marketers, so specifically online marketers. And how I did this was I joined and engaged in communities and forums around online business and internet marketing. One specifically that I hung around was warriorforum.com. If you go there, you're given a signature that you can use at the end of every single response that you put out on the forum. And this will give you the exposure that you need to your offer. Your offer could be anything related to freelancing and services. So it's not just about designing sales pages like what I did. You could, whatever skill, talent, or expertise you have, you want to be able to offer that as a service and help people in that community and forum. Even though you'll be putting the hours and exchanging your time for money, but it still gives you that flexibility of working from home. Now, the most popular freelancing websites are at Upwork.com and Fiverr.com. Which platform should you use? I would say, depending on what you're selling, that's what determines where you should go. But in my personal opinion, Upwork attracts more professionals, and Fiverr, you're going to attract people who are usually more on a budget or going for cheap. So if you want more quality, and more quality clients, that is, then go to Upwork.com, become a freelancer there, and whatever expertise you have, that will obviously give you a head start. Otherwise, you don't really need any experience. You could do simple data entry or admin or customer support. The companies that you work for will obviously give you the training to understand what you need to do. Like I said, I started designing websites for internet marketers, and I sold it at about $97 for a package. So I got a few each week, which was good income on the side while I was working at my supermarket shop, stacking shelves. Now, the third side hustle idea is to start a digital marketing agency or offer digital marketing services. This is something I'm doing at the moment at conveyagency.com. The great thing about this model is that you don't need to know how to actually do digital marketing, but obviously it helps a lot knowing the ins and out of digital marketing. But again, it's not necessary to know everything about digital marketing. All you're doing is white labeling existing services such as SEO, Google Ads services, social media marketing services like Facebook ads. What you want to do is find existing agencies and approach them and even browse their site to see if they have a white label services section. In some cases, they will have it, but in other cases, they won't. But there's no harm asking and approaching it, so then you can see if you can get a white label service for whatever service you want to offer. So let's say you're offering Google ads to your local business, let's say a plumber or an electrician. You can go and approach these electricians or plumbers around your area and see if they want more business and more customers going to them. And all you're doing is selling and pitching that Google ads is going to bring you a lot more traffic, a lot more sales. And if they accept it, all you're doing is finding another agency to fulfill that service. You pay the fee to the agency and then charge your fee on top to your client. Another way also is to go to Upwork.com and actually see if there are any existing freelancers that actually do things like Google Ads or SEO. And usually with these types of people, they don't work for a company, they work for themselves as freelancers, so they don't charge as much. So in the end, it's all arbitrary where you're selling it for a profit at a higher margin, basically taking the cut after expenses. The way to market your digital marketing service is to basically go on LinkedIn, connect with people in that potential industry who want those types of services, or doing local approaches to businesses around your area. The benefit of this type of business model and side hustle is that in most cases it's recurring, meaning that you'll get paid every single month or whatever retaining or agreement that you have with your client. So there you go. Those are some side hustle ideas that you can take away today. And if you have your own ideas of a side hustle or business model, feel free to share it in the comments field. Let us know what's working for you. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to this channel and click that notification icon so then you'll be the first to know of any new releases I post on this channel. This is Aurelius Chin, helping you succeed online so then you can enjoy life offline.